Assalamu alaikum प्यारे बच्चों, welcome to Lions International Publishers, and as you know the book which we are doing is maths for 3+ years, and till now we have done so many numbers up to number 18. Let's have a quick revision starting from number 11, because as you know that we have started the 2-digit numbers. So the 2-digit numbers starting from 11 is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We have done up till number 18. Now the next two numbers, number 19 and number 20, right? Let me show you the number 19. 1 and 9 is going to make number 19, and after number 19 we are going to jump onto 20's line, and as the name indicates, 2 and 0 is going to make the number 20. As I have told you earlier when we were doing the number 0 कि number 0 जो है वो एक बहुत important number है. वैसे तो इस number का मतलब होता है कुछ भी नहीं, nothing, but जब ये किसी number के साथ आ जाता है तो उसकी value बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है. जैसे 1 and 0 makes 10 and 2 and 0 makes 20. Let's count some yummy candies over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We have 19 candies, और अगर हम एक और candy add कर दें तो we have 20 candies. यहाँ पे मैं आपको एक interesting बात बताती हूँ कि 20 is made up of 2 tens, right? If we have a 10 and a 10, one more 10, it is going to make the number 20. अब हम जल्दी से चलते हैं अपने बुक के पेज की तरफ और देखते हैं कि हमारी बुक पे 19 and 20 नंबर से रिलेटेड क्या गिवन है. So this is the book's page, and with number 19 we have something we used to eat, the spoons. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. We have 19 spoons over here. This is how number 19 looks like. 1 and 9 makes number 19, and these are the spellings of number 19. N-I-N, 9, T-E-N. 19 spoons. And with number 20 we have some very colorful and pretty butterflies. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. We have 20 beautiful butterflies over here. So 2 and 0 will make 20, and these are the spellings of 20. T-W-E, 20 butterflies. Instructions for teachers. Dear teachers, today we have done the number 19 and number 20, and these are the last two numbers of this book. Provide students with ample of counters ताकि वो number 19 और number 20 तक counting सीखें. उनको sand trays, salt trays, clay, play-doh provide करें ताकि वो इन numbers को बनाने की भी practice करें, ताकि जब वो trace करें और writing पे आएँ तो उनकी formation बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी हो. Scan the QR code and come on to this video to make things more easy for them. Instructions for parents. Dear parents, आज हमने किए हैं इस बुक के last two numbers which are number 19 and number 20. आप बच्चों को encourage करें कि वो 0 से लेके 20 तक counting की practice करें रोज़, और ये भी देखें कि इसमें tens हैं, 2 tens are going to make number 20, how we add some numbers to make other bigger numbers and what not. You can add so many things related to numbers to make their concept more clear and strong. तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, ये थे हमारी बुक के आखिरी 2 नंबर्स. आई होप कि आप इन तमाम नंबर्स को घर पे प्रैक्टिस कर रहे होंगे. हम दोबारा मिलेंगे एक नए कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ, एक नए लेसन के साथ. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज.